Hello everyone, in today's tutorial video we are going to check out the different pricing options available for DialMyCalls. Now that you've created a DialMyCalls account, let's take a look at the different pricing options available. From your DialMyCalls dashboard, click on the My Account button in the top right corner and then click on Buy Monthly Plans/Credits. Our monthly plans have no contract and you can upgrade, downgrade, or cancel at any time. Select the plan that represents the amount of unique numbers you will contact each month, which is every 30 days. You are able to send voice, text, and email broadcasts to the same contacts each month, up to 30 broadcasts per billing cycle. Monthly plans are able to be purchased via credit card, e-check, or PayPal. Rebill every 30 days until canceled, and do have the option to rebill every 6 months or 12 months. If your list of contacts is going to change regularly, then DialMyCalls' pay-as-you-go credit packages are the pricing option for you. Credit packages start at $10 for 140 credits. One credit equals one call to one number with a 30-second message. Each extra 30-second increment is an additional credit per contact. For example, 30 seconds equals 1 credit per contact, 31 to 60 seconds equals 2 credits per contact, 61 to 90 seconds equals 3 credits per contact, and so on. As for text messaging, 1 credit equals 1 text message to one number with 157 characters. The length of your SMS keyword is deducted from the 157 characters, and text messages can be extended for an additional credit per 157 characters per contact. DialMyCalls does offer larger monthly plans and credit packages upon request. Please contact our sales team at sales@dialmycalls.com or 800-928-2086 to request more information regarding our larger plans. Please feel free to contact us toll free at 800-928-2086 or send an email to sales@dialmycalls.com. Thank you and have a great day.